Hello and all friends, all of you are most welcome in your loving one person family. I'm your soul friend, Tales and Twist. Come on guys with me and see the map wisely. Later I will carry you soon in a new journey of story. Battlefield of dreams. To know, let's go! In a remote village that nestled between the mountains, there lived a young soldier named Vikram. From an early age, Vikram dreamed of becoming a commander in the army. Inspired by the tales of bravery and honor told by his grandfather, a retired war hero. So Vikram joined the army and worked harder than anyone else. He trained relentlessly, honing his skill and learning everything he could about strategy and leadership. Despite his dedication, he was often overlooked for promotions. His peers, with their influential connections and prestigious background, seemed to rise effortlessly through the ranks. One fateful day, war broke out at the borders, and Vikram's unit was sent to the front lines. The enemy was formidable, and the soldiers were losing hope. The commanding officer was injured, and chaos ensued. In that critical moment, Vikram stepped forward. Drawing from his years of training and stories of valor from his grandfather, he rallied his comrades. With inspiring words and strategic acumen, Vikram led his unit through the battlefield. His courage was infectious, and his clear-headed decision turned the tide of the battle. They secured a hard-won victory, pushing the enemy back and protecting their homeland. When the dust settled, Vikram's bravery and leadership did not go unnoticed. He was promoted to commander not because of his background or connections, but because of his undeniable skill and unwavering determination. The last moral of the story is, in the battlefield of dreams, true leadership and success come from relentless dedication and the courage to rise to the occasion. Regardless of obstacles, believe in your abilities and never let external factors to deter you from achieving greatness. Remember one most important thing, your dreams are worth fighting for. Keep pushing forward and you too can achieve greatness. With a smile, I will say all of you, I love you, goodbye, good luck. I'm your soul friend, Tales and Twist.
When forever finally ends, all the promises are broken. No more fights to pick up the pieces. I left you